Hi, Samantha. Thank you so much for kicking off our conversation. The short answer to your question is yes, a company can change, but the entire company needs to change, not just one department. It's a very significant undertaking, and it means that all of the financial statements are probably going to take a hit. So thinking about timing of making that change is extremely important, and it's preferable to choose the most appropriate method from the get-go. I also wanted to mention, relative to your note about waste, that yes, expiration can and does occur, and we want to avoid that as much as possible. Something else that isn't often thought about is that there are times when we change the product we're using. And so, for example, I was working with one organization that changed over the tubing that they were using throughout the hospital. The problem was that because they didn't do a good job of using first in, first out, they had a whole bunch of tubing that, while not necessarily expired, was very, very old. And because of that, the company that was providing the new tubing refused to take back those old supplies. Sometimes you can get them back for credit. And that ended up being a pretty significant loss for that organization.